2246 Golf, clear to the Pease Airport direct, 2000, maintain 2000, expect 4000, 10 minutes after departure, frequency 120.6, squawk 5343.
What's the squawk? Looks good. Do you have the information on these?
I have whiskey.
Okay, thanks. Taxi runway 35, Golf and Alpha, if you're ready.
Not quite, thank you.
Okay, give me a go.
Skyhawk 2246 Golf, 2,300 for 3,000, heading 330.
Lincoln 3310 traffic, 12 o'clock, 3 miles northwest on altitude 2,500.
What we got? Okay, weekend there.
Air 2246 Golf, Boston, departure radar contact.
14048, Portsmouth Tower. So far, about 048, transition approved. Seaport number 3004. Just a little bit. I got the Cessna 172 on the runway. He's going kind of slow. Okay, we're going. Cross 24. And cross 24, you can turn base now. 24, turn base. Cessna 46 Golf, turn right, next taxiway, contact ground.
Right, next taxiway, contact ground, 46 Golf.
Ground cross 413, looking to pick up the IFR to Sierra Alpha Whiskey.
Bonus 413, Portsmouth ground, cleared to Sierra Alpha Whiskey Airport, Pease 2 departure, then is filed. Expect flight level 240, 5 minutes after departure, squawk 1353.
Alright, that's cleared Pease 2, then as filed. 240 in 5 minutes and squawk 1353 for Chronos 413.
Chronos 413, read back correct. November 46 Golf, cleared to Norwood Airport, Pease 2 departure, maintain 3000, squawk 46, 77.
Portsmouth Tower, Skyhawk 2246 Golf, holding short 34, ready to depart IFR.
We're 2246 Golf, Portsmouth Tower, runway 34, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 34, 2246 Golf. Clear for takeoff, 2246 Golf.
November 16 make sure that we